Hey guys, I'll be showcasing the exploding menu. I will be gatekeeping it. Sorry. This is like an extreme gatekeeped menu. No one else is allowed to have this. My bad, guys. It just says that sometimes, but yeah. I have to hide all of it. Because that shows all the opening stuff for it. Okay, so yeah, you can see, here's the menu. It does stay there. When I look, feel my hands, select the thing, then I will show you. Once we load the game, I have to go to battle one because a lot of people have this menu. Okay, go. Okay, I got no code. Okay, so I'll be showcasing this menu. Go to spawn items. Go here. I don't really know how to use this menu that well. Spawn mobs. I don't know how to spawn them. I don't really know how to use this menu. Angler, when I select it, nothing spawns. That's the thing. Spawn items. Apple. Nothing spawns. That's the thing. Also, to get the dev menu here. Let's see. I don't know how I exit out of this menu, but I guess you don't exit out of it. I guess it's just there. What? I don't know. But yeah, I think if I get on here. I thought I got infinite ammo for that. But yeah, if you're gonna ask, why it's hard for me to do this, it's because I'm a bit shaky because, like I'm kind of like shaking because I thought this was a complete gatekeeped menu. Oh! Rapid fire. Infinite ammo. Okay. I could have sworn I put on infinite ammo and stuff. It works, but that happens. Maybe if I try a different type of gun. Dang it. I crashed my game. But yeah, this menu's pretty cool. But this will be the end of my video. I know Vlad's gonna make a video when I want to reach 40,000 likes. Y'all are wondering. Make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe, just maybe, if this video reaches 20 likes, I will do a tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe.